Hey, it's David, and this is week 2 of Advanced Technologies Open World Chunk Loader with multiplayer. I've made a fair bit of progress this week. I've successfully identified why it wasn't working last week. Turns out using the default mirror send message to client call, and when you try to send a scene via that message, if the scene is already loaded, the entirety of Unity scene management simply packs its bags and leaves, which is a bit of an issue. So sadly, I can't do the nice calculating nearby chunks and loading them in dynamically. And as such, I have to resort to the less ideal, but it works, method of effectively scenes having big old box colliders around them. So when I fire up an instance, we have the player, and as we move around, the chunks load in and unload behind them. Now, of course, I can easily change this if I want to load in more chunks at one time. So let's stick them here. And then if I go, that's that one. Suddenly input universal still, so this will look a bit weird. Right, there we go. Yeah, it's not quite perfect yet, but in principle you can see we have two players. Yeah, so the multiplayer keeping chunks loaded needs a bit of work, but it's loading and unloading chunks properly now, which is good.